our world is now facing a lot of problems that need a lot of action to take. One of that is environmental problems. The examples of that are climate change, pollution, and forest deforestation. These activities can lead to environmental degradation, resulting in serious consequences for humans and to the environment, such as habitat loss and resource depletion. It is for this reason that environmental awareness is so important, and it is sad to know that we are the one that causes this environmental problem.
Most people are unaware of the various ways in which they can help the environment. It is important to be environmentally aware so we can do our part in preserving our planet. There are many things we can do to be more environmentally conscious, such as by simply picking up litter that we see on surroundings and putting them on waste container or waste segregation, recycling materials like plastic and other things that can lessen the waste, using less water to save money, and using energy-efficient appliances or eco-friendly appliances such as solar panels. Another simple way to help the environment is by planting trees to reduce air pollution and preventing food flood.
Another reason why environmental awareness is so crucial is that people and their families can risk their health by dangers of air pollution, water contamination, and toxic chemicals that can lead to health issues like diarrhea, cardiovascular disease, and many more.
By raising awareness of this environmental issue, we can help protect these vulnerable species and preserve the natural resources of our Earth for future generations. Moreover, being more environmentally aware could help to reduce some of the effects of climate change as well as reduce our impact on the planet. This can help to ensure that the resources and services provided by the Earth will continue to be available to us and other living things.
Every little bit counts, so let's focus on what we can do and take action. Together we can make a big impact on health and well-being of our planet.